Kolarac, always full of positive energy, joy, and optimism springing from music, has survived and deserved all those rounds of applause echoing after concerts. The rounds of applause for art, for music, and of course, for a far-sighted and wise benefactor, Kolarac.
New York, Boston, Chicago, Paris, London, and tonight, Miami. This is a story about great piano, great music, and great artists. Tonight's unique event would have not been possible without the patronage of St. Simeon Serbian Orthodox Church in Miami and Serbian community in Southeast Florida. A big thank you goes to all artists participating tonight. Marta Brankovich, Kemal Gekić, Ella Roman. There were also many volunteers. We appreciate everything what you did to make this happen. We invite you all to visit the exhibit in the lobby and make sure to stay for reception after concert. The cultural exploration of our national heritage continues this Saturday and Sunday, May 17 and 18, as a part of Serbian Festival. Please come over. To continue Kolarac's love and legacy for culture, education, and arts, let's enjoy music. Please help me welcome Marta Brankovich.
We have the first part of the recital with various Serbian classical composers who are first time performed, at least in Miami that I know of, tonight. The second part of the recital where we have American composers, classical composers, with many guests and extra surprises in the second part. But I did this as a Serbian-American project for the World Fundraising donation for the already mentioned hall that we looked. So for me, this music speaks on many levels. I just wanted to tonight let you know that the first part I played is Vasilij Mokranjac, who is considered one of the hidden Serbian treasures in music. He influenced many composers, and he's coming from very Western classical school in music, and for him, composing back then was very challenging in time where he lived. He wanted to bring new forms and new sounds and multi-ethnical sounds as well, and that wasn't considered as something good back then. So he became not only neoclassical and eclectic for the audience, but he just brought new form to Serbia. His etude is not anymore the exercise, it's a fantasy. His dances have the long forms, so it's something totally different. And Mokranjac influenced the two next composers who will perform, Svetislav Božić, lyrics from Atos. Atos' story about Serbia and Greece is a long-lasting relationship. So Svetislav Božić is a new age composer. This is a fantasy that I will perform. And the last composer, Zoran Hristić, is considered the most popular composer right now in Serbia. He's implementing so many different multi-ethnical elements and forms inside. His toccata is considered one of the hardest classical pieces written. First time that I'm doing something like this, and I dreamed to do something like this for a very long time from my country since. So I was very fortunate to find Estela. She's an established composer, producer, and fantastic DJ. This is the first time in America that we're doing something like this. First live performance of DJ in classical piano. Yes, you heard on YouTube pre-recorded sessions. Nothing like this before. This is the first time we heard her playing together, publicly. Please welcome one of the biggest concert pianists alive and one of the best professors ever, Kemal Gekić.
Thank you very much, Marta, for this wonderful info and intro. I don't really see you that well, but anyway. Good evening, everyone. I really appreciate you being here. You know from the beginning of concert what cause we are working on. It's a very noble cause. I actually happen to come from Belgrade, where I played in Kolarac's hall, for which we are trying to, for which we will actually get the piano.